California Club Chicken Wraps. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey to the sunny shores of California with our delectable California Club Chicken Wraps. Bursting with fresh flavors and vibrant ingredients, these wraps are not just a meal, they're a celebration of West Coast culinary delights. Our recipe yields 4 generously sized wraps, perfect for a satisfying lunch or dinner for a family or group of friends who crave a taste of California. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about 1 pound salt and black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 large flour tortillas, 10-inch diameter half cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 8 slices cooked bacon, 1 large ripe avocado, sliced, 1 large tomato, thinly sliced, 2 cups shredded lettuce or mixed greens, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Optional, sliced red onion, alfalfa sprouts. Instructions: cook the chicken, season the chicken breasts with salt and black pepper on both sides. In a skillet over medium heat, heat olive oil and cook the chicken breasts until golden brown on both sides and cook through, about 6 to 7 minutes per side depending on thickness. Remove from heat, let cool slightly, and slice into thin strips. Prepare the wraps, lay out the flour tortillas on a clean work surface. In a small bowl, mix mayonnaise and Dijon mustard until well combined. Spread a generous amount of the mayo mustard mixture over each tortilla, leaving a border around the edges. Layer the fillings, divide the cooked chicken strips evenly among the tortillas, placing them in the center. Layer with cooked bacon slices, avocado slices, tomato slices, shredded lettuce or mixed greens, shredded cheddar cheese, and any optional ingredients like sliced red onion or alfalfa sprouts. Fold and roll. To wrap the ingredients, fold in the sides of the tortilla over the fillings, then roll up tightly from the bottom to form a secure wrap. Slice and serve. Use a sharp knife to slice each wrap in half diagonally, creating 2 halves for easier handling. Serve immediately for optimal freshness and flavors. Why you'll love it. California Club Chicken Wraps are a delightful blend of textures and flavors that capture the essence of California cuisine. The juicy chicken, crispy bacon, creamy avocado, and fresh vegetables nestled in a soft tortilla create a satisfying meal that's both wholesome and delicious. The combination of savory, creamy, and crunchy elements makes every bite a burst of California sunshine on your taste buds. These wraps are not only incredibly tasty but also versatile. You can customize them with your favorite ingredients such as additional veggies, different cheese varieties, or a drizzle of hot sauce for extra kick. They are perfect for lunchboxes, picnics, or a quick weeknight dinner when you want something flavorful yet easy to make. Subscribe to our channel for more culinary inspirations, recipe ideas, and cooking tips to elevate your kitchen adventures. Join our community of food enthusiasts and discover new ways to enjoy delicious meals every day.